When I was 22, I wrote this book called How to Become a Straight A Student. And the whole premise of the book was I'm going to talk to actual college students who have straight A's and who don't seem completely ground out. And I'm just going to interview. Right? And the protocol was, how did you study for the last test did you study for? How did you take notes for the last? So I was just asking them to walk through their methodology. The core idea of that book was active recall. That was the core idea, that replicating ideas, ways to say is replicating the information from scratch as if teaching a class without looking at your notes. And the thing about it was it's a trade-off. It's efficient, doesn't take much time, but it's incredibly mentally taxing, right? This is why students often avoid it. It is difficult to sit there and try to replicate and pull forth, okay, what did I read here? How did that work? It's mentally very taxing. But it's very time efficient. You learn very quickly. And not only do you learn very quickly, you don't forget. It's almost like you have a pseudo photographic memory when you study this way. You sit down to do it. You're replicating like whole lines from like what you studied. The ideas sort of come out fully formed because it's such a fantastic way to learn.